Today we will be showing you how to make simple,
Listen.
and healthy mug cakes to satisfy that chocolatey craving.
Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I'm Muhammad, and she is
Haneen.
Right before the video begins, we have a goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers by August.
It would mean so much if you would hit that subscribe button and support us to continue making simple, delicious,
And healthy
videos.
Now, back to the show.
Welcome to our show, Simple, Delicious,
And healthy.
where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
In the last video, we made fruit roll-ups. If you haven't watched it yet, pause this video and click on the link in the top of the description below. Before we begin, make sure to wash hands or wear gloves, and make sure to subscribe, like, and share.
And hit that notification bell to get notified when we upload.
This week's shoutouts go to... If you would like a shoutout in our next video, be sure to comment down below your name and what recipes you would like us to make.
Have you heard of the giveaway we're doing?
Wait, what giveaway?
Click the link in the description below to learn more.
The ingredients we need are
1 tablespoon of organic cacao
2 tablespoons of organic raw cane sugar.
and a splash of pink Himalayan salt.
If you would like, you can add chocolate chips.
A 4th cup of almond flour plus 1 tablespoon.
A 4th cup of organic milk.
A half teaspoon of unsalted grass-fed butter at room temperature.
And 1 teaspoon of non-alcoholic vanilla extract, optional for extra taste. You can substitute 2 tablespoons of syrup for the sugar.
And change the milk to 2 tablespoons and no need for the butter. You can add all the ingredients in the mug and mix, or
Sift all the dry ingredients so the mixture does not become lumpy.
since almond flour does tend to clump up.
Then mix in the wet ingredients and pour into the mug.
It took us 2.5 minutes, but depending on your microwave, it can take up to 3 minutes.
Just experiment with your microwave. What's the benefit of cacao?
Cacao is roasted at high temperatures and is packed with antioxidants and magnesium. Are the store-bought mug cakes healthy?
Although they are pretty tasty, but they are highly processed and contain very serious unhealthy ingredients.
Think about it. The time it would take you to get in the car, buckle up, and drive to the store.
You would have your homemade mug cake ready to go.
Check Instagram for this photo. Bismillah. Check the link for the chocolate syrup, the sprinkles, the caramel, and the whipped cream.
If you love brownies, this is your answer.
It's like the most fudgiest cake inside a mug, and you can cook within seconds.
Do you like it, Haneen?
So yummy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to support our small but growing channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle. And please don't forget to comment down below your thoughts and what you'd like to see in future videos. And as always, simple, delicious, and healthy. Bismillah.
Oh, I'm not smiling.
Uh-oh, I'm not smiled.
Before we begin, make sure... Before we begin, make sure to wash your hands or wear gloves, and make sure to... Sorry.
Have you heard of the giveaway we're doing?
Wait, what giveaway?
Yeah, click the link in the description. Have you heard of the giveaway we're doing?
Wait, what giveaway?
Click the link in
The ingredients we need are
1 tablespoon of organic cacao.
chocolate chips.
I don't know what
Where do you think you're going?
4th cup.
Chocolate chips, optional.
That seems so short.
Sift all the dry ingredients so the mixture does not become lumpy.
Since almond flour does tend to clump, sorry.
Just experiment with your microwave. What's the benefit of cacao?
Cacao is high temperature.
It's high temperature.
Are the store-bought mug cakes healthy? Unhealthy but healthy. Are the store-bought mug cakes healthy?
Although they are pretty tasty, but they are. They look like good.
Think about it. The time it would Bismillah. Check the link for the chocolate syrup, the sprinkles, the caramel, and the whipped cream. It's a mix between the fudgiest brownie in the world and the best thing ever. Bismillah. Check the link for the chocolate syrup, the sprinkles, the caramel, and the whipped cream. It smells good.
If you love brownies, moist.
Okay, let's go do it.
It's so good, ain't it, right?
Yes.
Ready? Bismillah. Check the link for the chocolate syrup, the swimming,
Swimming.